If you're leading a firm in manufacturing, construction, engineering, energy, or IT, you know that winning the next big contract isn't just about the speak sheet. It's about presence and trust. The digital world is not a distraction. It's your new competitive edge. But it often feels confusing, right? That digital gap between your product and your next client. Max Media Academy exists to close it. We turn that confusion into a clear, actionable blueprint for growth. Your challenge isn't just selling a service, it's communicating value, attracting top-tier talent, and securing B2B deals. We don't just teach digital marketing, we empower your team to build trust through optimized LinkedIn profiles so that your leaders become recognized industry experts, win bigger contracts by leveraging Google, social media, and AI to get your business in front of the right decision makers. So how do we do it? We focus entirely on your results. We deliver keynote speeches that show your executives how to immediately use Google, social media, and AI to scout opportunities. We run workshops offering hands-on, practical skills your team can apply instantly, improving SEO, building content, and tracking ROI. Through consultations, we cut through the noise to give you precise, actionable advice for your unique challenges. Our team training ensures confidence across the board, turning confusion into competence. We equip you with expert presentations that will capture and keep your audience's attention. Stop letting your digital presence be an afterthought. Your team holds the keys for making an impact. We give them the map. We help your business move from hoping for leads to attracting loyal customers. Your brand will be stronger, your people more confident, and your future growth secured. Stop being digitally present and start being digitally powerful. Let Max Media Academy equip your team to win.